Welcome to Healthcare Channel. Please subscribe and share this video to help others in this way. People may question if garlic can improve sexual function or increase libido because of its various therapeutic benefits. The 5 garlic benefits for sexually active and healthy. Benefits of garlic for sexual health. Here you go with the benefits of garlic for sexual health. Number 1. May improve blood flow. Garlic has been shown in certain studies to help enhance blood flow, which could be useful for treating erectile dysfunction in men. Several human and animal research have discovered that some chemicals contained in garlic can improve blood vessel function and boost blood flow. Number 2. May enhance male fertility. Garlic has been shown in certain studies to enhance male fertility in addition to enhancing blood flow. Garlic was found to help raise sperm production and testosterone levels in an analysis of 18 trials, possibly due to its antioxidant characteristics. Salocystine, a chemical found in garlic, was found to raise testosterone synthesis in mice in a recent animal research. Another animal study found that aged garlic extract could protect against chemotherapy-induced alterations in sperm production and testosterone levels. However, more research is needed to see how garlic affects human male fertility and testosterone levels. Number 3. Garlic increase sexual drive. Garlic can help males have more sexual desire. Garlic acts as an aphrodisiac, increasing sexual desire in men, according to studies. Garlic potential substitute to synthetic aphrodisiacs for erectile dysfunction. Garlic, according to Ayurveda, is a combination of rasayan and vajicarin that improves sexual drive. Garlic is excellent for older guys who have low libido or anxious stress. Garlic consumption may also aid testosterone production, according to research. Also, if you're wondering if garlic boosts stamina in males, the answer is yes. Number 4. Acts as an antioxidant. Antioxidants can help protect against chronic disease and may also play a role in sexual health and fertility. Garlic, both fresh and aged, is high in antioxidants, which can help to neutralize dangerous molecules known as free radicals. Taking an antioxidant supplement increased sperm count in one study of 100 men with infertility. In a study of diabetic rats, salocystine from garlic was found to improve erectile function by preventing the generation of free radicals. However, further research is needed to determine how the antioxidants in garlic may affect human sexual function and fertility. Number 5. Increase female fertility. Garlic has a strong link to female fertility because it is believed to increase ovulation and prevent chromosomal abnormalities. Women who eat garlic on a daily basis have reported having painless periods and healthy pregnancies. Garlic is thus advised to women for conception. Garlic is high in vitamin B6, which helps with ovulation. Garlic improves blood quality, ensuring a healthy baby and pregnancy. Garlic contains nutrients that keep the egg healthy and prevent chromosomal damage. Garlic's pungent odor may be unappealing, but there are many reasons to include it in your diet, particularly for you ladies. Garlic helps control weight and yeast infections. It also prevents breast cancer and other ailments. It also helps to maintain the health of the skin, hair, and nails. Garlic also aids in the development of the immune system and the maintenance of cardiovascular health. Other health benefits. Number 1. It has various medicinal properties. The sulfur compounds generated when a garlic clove is eaten or crushed account for garlic's relevance. These sulfur compounds have been shown to have demonstrated health advantages. These chemicals have powerful biological effects, such as reducing cholesterol and boosting heart health. Number 2. It reduces blood pressure. Garlic has been shown to lower blood pressure in persons with high blood pressure in studies. The amount of garlic required to have an effect is approximately 4 cloves each day. Number 3. It improves heart health. Garlic cloves have been shown to reduce LDL cholesterol levels in studies. Low-density cholesterol is known as bad cholesterol because it can induce blood vessel obstruction. Garlic supplements have been shown to lower total and LDL cholesterol by 10 to 15% in other trials. This can help to lower cholesterol levels and avoid heart disease. Number 4. It boosts the immune system. Garlic protects us from free radicals, which can ruin our DNA. Garlic also contains zinc and vitamin C, which aid in infection prevention and immunity enhancement. Men can enjoy the medicinal benefits of garlic by dicing 3 to 4 garlic cloves and adding them to their food on a daily basis. The bottom line. Garlic is a potent substance with a variety of health benefits. It may increase sexual function by boosting blood flow and enhancing fertility, according to certain human and animal research, particularly in men. Garlic's effects on sex desire are still the subject of little research, and it's unclear how it can alter sexual function in women. It can, however, be easily enjoyed as part of a well-balanced, nutritious diet to support overall health and illness prevention. Frequently asked question related to garlic. Question number 1. What are the benefits of garlic to a man? Garlic and its components have been shown to improve male fertility, boost testosterone levels, and increase sperm production, according to some research. Question number 2. How do you use cloves sexually? If you're using a clove-containing product to prevent premature ejaculation, only apply it to the outer skin of your penis tip. People who have used clove for this purpose have applied it an hour before sexual activity and then rinsed it off right before intercourse. Question number 3. How can I last longer in bed with honey? Start taking milk and honey for stamina on a daily basis, and you will notice an immediate difference in your stamina and sexual power. Honey is an aphrodisiac, which means it boosts sperm count and has been used as a natural fertility booster for decades.